Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. So my nails are done. They're new press on. So I'm going to be talking to you guys like this, okay? Today's video, I am going to do a 5-minute makeup challenge. Okay, so last year or a few years ago I tried to do the 5-minute makeup challenge and it went horribly wrong. I went over 5 minutes, the challenge just was over at that point, and I couldn't post it for you guys because I did not like it, because I didn't really try to stick to that 5 minutes. So this time I'm gonna try to stick to 5 minutes. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm going to not do my brows because they are essentially already shaded in. So I feel like I can cheat a little bit but not do my brows, but I might not even cheat at all and just attempt to do my brows. Okay, if I try to do my brows, I feel like it's gonna be a lot. I'm gonna fail. Okay, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Okay, but we're gonna try to figure it out. Okay, so if you want to see how I do in this 5-minute makeup challenge, and essentially if you want to see a natural makeup routine on my channel, then keep on watching. First, I'm gonna lay out the products that I'm gonna use. Okay, I don't want to have to be looking for things that's gonna make it like a little longer, so I'm gonna lay out the products that I'm gonna use, and then I'll come back and we'll set the timer. And I can't stop clicking my nails, but I'm gonna set up the products that I'm gonna use, and then I'll come back and we will set the timer and start. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and set up the products I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna show you what products I'm using until after I finish, or until after we run out of time, because I don't want to lose any time just showing you guys products. Okay, so let's jump in. Wish me luck. Oh my god, I'm so scared. But I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer. My phone screen is completely cracked, like it's broken. Okay, so do not come for me. Okay, it is messed up. I'm ready. Okay, I am ready. So I am gonna start the clock. Can I see? Okay, so the clock has started. I am gonna prime my face. I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I have to move quickly because I don't want to wait till the end to be brushing with this. Okay, I'm gonna second prime with the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Oh, I said I wasn't gonna show you guys. I mean, because on a regular day, if you're doing your makeup, you're not showing anybody your products, right? So I shouldn't be showing you guys my products. It looks like I'm gonna have to do my brows again. Wish me luck! I'm freaking out. Okay. Why aren't I moving faster? I should be moving faster. Okay, I'm gonna take some powder, just a little bit. I am using the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, and this is the shade 4.60. I haven't used this in a while, so I don't remember if it was a good match or not, but hopefully it's a good match and I don't end up regretting using it. I'm using the e.l.f. blending sponge. I'm gonna blend everything in. Hopefully I don't poke myself in the eye with my nails. This is a bad idea. I don't know how to work these nails. I think I need one shade darker than this. That would give me a better match, I think. So I was definitely inspired by Vanessa to try this again because she did this on her Instagram page. And I thought, you know what? I tried this once before. Let me try it again and see how it goes. Why am I stopping to check the time? Okay, I'm gonna conceal my face. Oh, what time is it? Oh my god, I have 50. How do I have 50 seconds left? How is that 5 minutes already? Let me at least look blended before the timer goes off. Ooh, it's about to go off. How is that 5 minutes already? Oh, I need a spoolie. Why don't I have a spoolie? I need a spoolie. Wow. How is that 5 minutes? I don't think that was 5 minutes because how is that 5 minutes already? Okay, so this is what I could do. This is what I could do in 5 minutes. My skin looks flawless, so that's not bad, okay? I cannot believe that was 5 minutes. I mean, what can you do in 5 minutes? Let me know, because this is, I mean, this gave me like flawless base. I'm not mad at it, okay? How do people actually do a full face in 5 minutes? Anyway, this is what we got. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried the 5-minute makeup, and let me know how far you got, okay? Still gonna try to finish my face. I'm gonna go in again with some of this, some more, because I'm trying to cover this over here. I didn't think 5 minutes was that short. So in 5 minutes, I can apply primer, foundation, and some concealer, but I can't do anything else beyond that. So that being said, if I only have 5 minutes to get ready, next time I will opt for a powder foundation, because with a powder foundation, I can just do a few swipes and it would even out my skin tone a lot better, and I wouldn't have to like blend or anything. That way I can attempt to apply some mascara or something, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go back in and apply some more concealer. So even though we're doing a natural look, we still need to prime our eyes. That way our, whatever we do on our eyes does not crease. So I'm gonna apply the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm gonna blend it in with my finger if I can. I'm gonna apply some of the concealer on my eyelids. I really thought I was going to, at least my eyes and everything was gonna be done in 5 minutes. Who was I kidding? So I'm gonna set my face with the Benign Nutmeg Powder, and I'm taking my Sigma F37 brush. This is my absolute favorite powder brush, I am also going to blend under my eyes a little bit more, or one more time before I apply the powder. I'm gonna apply some of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer on my eyelids because it's thicker. It would give me a much better coverage. That way my eyelids doesn't crease up there. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I have the mirror because it helps me look down instead of looking up at something. It helps me angle my eyes down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set it with as much powder as I possibly can. Even though it's gonna set, it's a matte concealer, you still wanna put powder on it because if you have oily eyelids like I do, you definitely want to set it. Okay, taking my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, I am taking this shade, which has now become my contour shade, and I'm gonna use that to contour my face, okay? I have been getting a lot of requests about doing a tutorial on contouring and concealing on dark skin, so let me know if that's something that you're interested in, and I will try to put out a video for you after I do my how to prep your eyelids video. I look a bit crazy, I know, but that's okay, it's gonna be fixed. Okay, so I'm taking the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, if I can open it, and taking this shade and this shade, and we're just gonna, oh my, I was supposed to use the Fenty Cream Blush. Look, I have it open and I didn't use it. I'm so stuck on using the Juvia's Place palette that I generally forget to use other blushes until it's like already too late. So just bear with me, okay? I'll try to remember. So I wanted to have softer brows today, but I cannot find my Fenty Beauty Soft Black pencil. So I'm gonna use the deep black pencil. I mean, it's gonna look good. I just wanted to have softer brows, you know, just because, okay? So we're gonna do a quick brow routine. It's gonna be super quick.
Well, at least you're dedicated to it. It looks like that. And I'll do that. Fantastic. Oh, oh my gosh, the blue. I'm so sorry. I forgot about that for a second. But you should have a webcam. Maybe something you just feel. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. I went ahead and cleaned up my brows with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and then I went in and did like a tight line with the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. I also applied some of my setting powder on my neck to balance out my neck and face shade. Yeah, the Milk Makeup Waterproof Kush Mascara. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, rich. Okay, so for today, we're gonna be using velour lashes. Okay, and they sent us like a whole kit. There are 3 lashes in here. So I have 3 of these lashes, so I'm gonna use one of them. And it also comes with a tweezer. It comes with a lash glue as well. So I'm gonna use the Style. They're very natural, and I feel like it would match the whole natural vibe that I'm going with today. Okay guys, so these are the most natural lashes ever. The bands are really super duper thin, and I really like what it's doing. It looks like I have really full lashes, like really natural full lashes. I really like it. I didn't think I would like it. I've been like really impressed with natural lashes lately. I'm gonna set my face. I'm using the Huda Beauty what is this called? Rest and Boss Face Setting Spray. I'm gonna shake up the Urban Decay All Nighter Matte Spray, and I'm going to spray my face with this as well. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Yoko Lip to line my lips. Okay, I'm gonna put the Huda Beauty Staycation all up in the middle, probably all over my lips. I'm gonna put some of the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy over this. Am I highlighting today? I don't know. Do I want to use highlighter? Let me know down below in the comments if you usually use highlighter when you are trying to do a natural look. Just to add a little bit of glow to my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter. This is the shade Golden Sands, and I'm gonna use this one and this one. So I'm now gonna contour my nose, and I'm gonna contour into my brow area. It always helps me diffuse the edges of my brows a lot more. Juvia's Place brush. This is the J127 brush. Do that. I always like to take my powder brush and just powder over it. One more setting spray. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look. Okay, I like this. It's very neutral. Like, I feel like this is as neutral as I could possibly get on my channel. This is a neutral glam, okay? And I'm just so happy I picked up this jacket. So this jacket is actually like a boyfriend jacket from Boohoo. It's one of those ones with the short sleeves. It looks like you rolled it up. It's very, very cute. We went from a 5-minute makeup challenge to a neutral glam, no eyeshadow look. I am not upset about it. I'm absolutely happy that I tried the velour lashes because they're very natural looking. It makes it look like my natural lashes are fuller and longer, and I am loving it. The lip combo I thought was too dark at first, but as soon as I added the lip gloss to it, it looks so much better, right? And you know, not having any eyeshadow on actually really worked in my favor because it matches this jacket really, really nicely, okay? I cannot stop talking like this because my nails are done again. These are press-on nails from Cuticle Press-Ons on Instagram. I will link that down below, and there's also a discount code. If you use the code Ohemaa, you get 15% off your order, okay? That's it from me with this 5-minute challenge that I absolutely failed at. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.